Hello everybody and welcome to the second part of the English video about the plural. Today we are going to talk about the irregular plural and another little rule important to make this part of grammar correctly. Okay, so I have as always my whiteboard, and now I'm going to share with you. Here we are. All right. Okay. As you can see, there is irregular, plural. You see that there's something different from the rule, uh, the simple rule add ds or es. Here we see that some words changed in the plural. Okay, this column is the singular, this column is the plural. So let's see. Man, man. The pronunciation is the same. What is different is how this word is written. But okay, A-E, man, man. Child, children. Okay, here we have a different and also different pronunciation. So child, children. Tooth, remember the th sound, so th, tooth, teeth. Okay, mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. Woman, women. Okay, here is different from man. Woman is not woman, is women. Even if there is a O after the W, we have to pronounce these words at the plural, women. Woman, women. Foot, feet. Goose, geese. Louse, lice. Okay, your homework is to check the words that you don't know the meaning about. Okay, so this is the part of irregular plural. You have to know that words really well, because they are important and is a mistake if you add the s here. It's a mistake, grammar mistake. Okay, so irregular plural. Then we have a little rule here about about the y. Words ending with y, there are two little rules. You add s if before y in a word there is a vowel. Example, boy, there is o, boys. Simple as that is the general rules, where it say that you have to add ds to make the plural. Here, if there is a vowel after the y, you have symbol to use the general rule, so you add s. But if there is, you add ies, it means yes, if before the y there is a consonant. Okay, example, lady, it becomes ladies, written ies. The same, city, cities. Okay, this is not difficult because if there is a vowel before the y, you add the s. If there is a consonant, you add ies. Okay, This was a simple video about the second part of the plural. Tomorrow we are going to finish this part about the plural, and we're going to do some exercise. Okay, so share this video with people that want to know English very well, and leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.